A new year means new technology, so let's see what's new in the world of robot vacuums. It's going to be an interesting year. Hello, this is RICKY, the YouTube tech guy, and one of the companies I didn't get to check out this year at CES was ECOVACS. Now, I have worked with them before, so I was interested when they wanted to sponsor a video for me to check out their new DEEBOT T90 Pro Omni. Now, that is a mouthful for a product name, but it is packed with lots of different tech. First, the biggest upgrade is the Osmo Roller 3.0. Most robot mops use two spinning pads in order to clean the floors, but the T90 Pro Omni uses a massive 27 centimeter extended roller. Because it uses pressurized fresh water for scrubbing, it actively washes itself while it cleans. The material and power behind the Osmo Roller 3.0 though is really what makes it stand out. It has a high density microfiber around the mop itself, which helps it with enhanced water retention. This means it stays consistently damp across your entire floor without leaving annoying puddles behind. And when it comes to those old dry spills or ones that are just stubborn and haven't been able to get out before, the robot is going to apply up to 10 newtons of downward scrubbing force to physically scrub those stubborn stains away. It is really cool that it will come back and get at one, especially if it detects it. And while we'll get to maintenance later, I will say it really is impressive how it keeps the mop part clean as well. The roller stays clean because it has a self-washing system equipped with 32-way sprays that blast the mop with speeds up to 200 RPMs. So yeah, no matter what spills you're gonna have to clean up, it will make sure that it is able to clean the mop itself and then go right back to cleaning any spill that you may have had left behind, even if it's up against the wall. It has True Edge 3.0, which physically extends the roller out up to 1.5 centimeters outside of the robot vacuum itself. It glides right up against the baseboards and corners, so you have zero distance and zero gunk built up on those parts where it's hard to clean normally for other robot vacuums. I love this because it continues the trend of you don't need to clean up after your robot vacuum already cleans, which was a trend in the older models that really annoyed me. Now it will clean everything. Now, how about the vacuum portion? This packs around 30,000 pascals of maximum suction power using their blast airflow system. This is really impressive because it's more than 10,000 pascals than a lot of the robot vacuums I reviewed last year. So, needless to say, it passed our extreme mess test with flying colors. It was able to pick up all the crumbs, and when it was done, it looked great. Then for all you pet owners out there, it does have Zero Tangle 4.0 brush. What that means is a lot of older models used to get tangles with either longer hair or pet hair wrapped up in the brush, and you would have to manually cut it. With this one and its design, you never have to worry about that because the brush isn't gonna get stuck like older models because of its newer design. Now, I have laminate in my house, but what if you have carpets? This is where its triple lift system comes in. When it detects a carpet, it will instantly lift up the mop so your carpets or rugs don't get wet. Not to mention, the suction will get stronger automatically because it realizes the surface is a carpet, so it will make sure to get all of those dust particles or crumbs that are hidden underneath. It can also lift up the brushes when it is in a liquid area. So if it sees a spill, it will automatically raise the brushes. I like this part about the lift system as well, because that means there's no cross-contamination. The mop does what it needs to do and the brushes do what they need to do, but they don't create a bigger mess. Now, besides being different types of floors, your actual robot vacuum can get stuck sometimes in between rooms that have those different floors. Whether it be dividers or little bumps, it can get confused and not always rise to the occasion, quite literally. DEEBOT did fix this by employing a mechanical lift system so that the wheels will actually lift up the robot vacuum to go over any obstacles up to 4 centimeters. This is again really handy because I hate to clean up or assist my robot vacuum that's supposed to be assisting me. But with this, you're not going to have an issue, whether it be a very thick rug or carpet that you have, or a divider between rooms. It's going to be able to climb over it very easily and continue doing what it's supposed to do. But what's the most important feature, especially to parents? The number one thing we look out for is obstacle avoidance. It uses iVi 3D 4.0 to dodge toys and cables that I left on the floor in order to test this. But although this is a test, this is a lot how my floor looks like in real life, with lots of toys around, and I really don't want to have to set up for a robot vacuum to clean. So I love the fact that this did really well. It would go around the toys while getting really up close to them, as close as possible even, but it would do as much cleaning as possible without knocking them down. And that is a great aspect for all parents, or if you just tend to have a messy room. And when it's done, the Omni station itself is extreme low maintenance. It has bins for both clean water and dirty water, a large dustbin, and a cleaning solution slot. The roller is cleaned with hot water, and then it uses hot air to dry itself off. Plus, it features what it calls power boost charging, so while the robot docks and is washing the roller, it will quickly charge its battery with up to 10% in just 3 minutes. The app itself had actually one feature that I really liked, and that was simplified mode. This easy mode makes it easy to use version of the app for someone like my mom who doesn't like her smart vacuum because she thinks it's too complicated. This is something I really like to see because it allows more users to be able to use it. Some that are not so tech savvy can use this robot vacuum no problem, and I love to see this kind of expansion. Then again, DEEBOT made it even easier than the simplified mode, and that is you don't even have to use the app if you don't want to. The T90 Pro Omni actually has a really unique feature, and that is its own built-in voice control using Agent Eco. You can just say, "Okay, Eco, vacuum the family room," and it'll get to work right away. This is incredibly convenient, so you don't always have to pull out your smartphone or even link it to another service like Alexa or Google Home if you don't want to. It's all built into it, so if you're within earshot of the robot vacuum, you can just tell it what to do directly, not through a third party, and it will get it done, and you didn't have to pull out your phone to get the job done. Overall, the new DEEBOT T90 Pro Omni really is a great choice for those who want to enjoy a flagship level cleaning experience at more of a mid-range price. If you'd like to buy one, I'll leave the link in the description down below so you can pick up one yourself. What other brands should I be checking out this year? Let me know in the comment section and I'll see if they're all hype or if they're really worth it. Let me know in the comment section. Thank you as always so much for watching. This has been RICKY, the YouTube Tech Guy. Thank you so much again for watching. Make sure to subscribe, like, and comment down below. Also, follow us on social media at YouTube Tech Guy, and check out some more great tech videos on your screen right now.